I'm fixing I think this is 160 spoke because it's got 3 rows, and I know it's more than 150, but I'm repairing it with some gold spokes from another rim. I gotta tap this out a little larger, but it's working. All of it works. Pulling them off this sucker. And I'll go road luxury or something. This was no good because that right there was cut off. But pulling them off there, putting them on here, tightening them up, and then changing all the bad ones to good ones, and it'll be perfect. Nice wheel to save. Who you know do that in town?